welcome to chouvaille vlog about my artistic creations and creative journey. In this video, I'll go over all the clays I have worked with and share some handy tips to help you get the best result in your creations. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about FIMO Soft. It's the only polymer clay on my list, and I use it for sculpting tiny things like earrings. You should get as many colors as you can. I know it's pricey, but it saves you tons of time of mixing or painting after baking. This clay is honestly cheaper than air-dry clay, but it's worth to try. It's durable, waterproof, and holds detail beautifully. Just bake it at low temperature for longer to keep the colors bright. Also, dust loves this clay, so use sculpting tools to keep it clean. If it's still dusty, you can gently wipe it with water or any cleaning liquid. Here are my latest batch of earrings. You can purchase these items in my shop. The website and link to the full tutorial video are in the video description. Here comes to my most used clay, soft stone. As the name suggests, it's super soft and easy to work with. Unlike some other clays, it cracks less. You can either air dry it or fire it in a kiln to turn it into ceramics. I haven't tried the firing method yet, but I can tell you that once it's dry, it's sturdy enough for medium to large projects. What I love about this clay is that it behaves a lot like regular pottery clay. So if you're looking to get into pottery, this is a great choice to ease into it. A little tip from me, it helps to wet the clay before using it, so it's even smoother and easier to knead. Another reason I swear by this one is that it's one of the most affordable among the ones I try. The only thing to keep in mind is that after it dries, you need to pan it, and drying can take a while, sometimes hours, depending on the size of your project. So if you're in a rush, air-dry clay might not be the best option, but overall it's definitely my go-to. So let me tell you about the third clay on my list, Ladon by Badico. It's lightweight stone clay from Japan. It's super smooth, soft, and kind of spongy. It holds detail amazingly well and handles rough treatment without denting, but it's pretty brittle if you're working on larger pieces. Also, attaching new clay to dried clay or other materials can be tricky. What I love is its bright white finish. You can mix with acrylic paint, color pigment, or pastel for custom colors. Plus, it's dust-free, so no mess while sculpting. However, it takes longer to dry completely, so patience is key. With its lightweight feel and fine body, it's perfect for dome figures or medium-sized projects. Definitely a favorite. I've just used this clay for my latest video of making clay cookies magnets and was impressed by the texture. So definitely there will be more craft projects using ladon clay. Next is Hearty Soft, another lightweight clay from Badico. This one is super lightweight, way more flexible and finer than ladon. It's amazing for delicate work. You can roll it out so thin, which makes it perfect for flowers, miniature food, and detail accessories. After trying, the clay is still pretty pliable. It's soft, easy to work with, and doesn't stick to your fingers. But if you add water for smoothing, it can get a bit messy. Personally, since I usually stick to medium-sized simple designs, I don't use it much and find it not worth to invest. The last clay I'm reviewing is Das air-dry clay, also the most budget-friendly on this list. It's a popular choice, super easy to find at any art store, and great for beginners. The clay feels dry and crumbly at first, so you want to wet your hands and knead it for a couple of minutes to moisturize it. But be careful, too much water can cause cracking. It has a fibrous, pulpy texture, which I personally don't like compared to soft stone. After it dries, it's easy to sand or add more details, but it can get messy since it's sticky to hand and surfaces. Still, for the price, it's a solid option for simple projects. This wraps up my clay review video. The ranking were listed from the most to least recommended, but honestly, every clay has its pros and cons. It's always worth exploring and finding what works best for you. I hope this video inspires and guides you in your clay projects. If you found it helpful, please support chouvaille. Subscribe, like, share, and comment with your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video. See ya!